Okay, let's try this. Here we go. Come on, magical unicorn, don't fail me now. And? Yes, it works! Oh my goodness, I can see it all! Hooray! Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 2 of Point Map. So let's recap where we left off. We had this shape here, and I was moving the point up, and this is what happened.
What the? Why is it pointy?
Now, remember, this happened because the handles didn't move with it. And my problem was that I could not identify if something was a main point or a handle. I can now. So, check this out. We'll hit this button, and that's what it looks like. We could see the main point, we could see the handles, and it's a pretty easy pattern, actually. You know, if you got a curve, you go forward 2, and then you got the next point. Or if it's a corner point, then you only go forward 1. A really simple formula. So why didn't I figure this out before? Because there is another type of shape. But we're going to call them compound shapes, but they have overlaps. And the thing that's really horrible about an overlap is that an overlap could be a curved point, but it doesn't have handles. Let me explain overlapping points for a second. We're going to go into edit points in this absolutely lovely shape. Do you see this red line right here? This red line may as well as just be evil eyes, evil red eyes looking into my soul, peering into it and saying, "Don't you dare try to access me." Because if you do try to access this line in VBA and you try to get the property of editing type, you will crash PowerPoint. We don't want that to happen. But even though this has been a nightmare, and it's been 2 months dealing with the nightmare, we're actually really close here. I just need to do one simple thing. It's still not simple though. I need to figure out which of these handles belong to which main point. This would normally be a pretty simple thing, because if you have a main point, a handle should be one apart and one ahead. Nope, not on overlaps. On this overlap here, you can see that main point, but take a look at the previous handle. That's not even close, but I do think I've got it figured out. I just need a little bit more time to confirm my theory. That's where we are. So, what can we do to make this come out faster? Oh boy, I gotta be one of those YouTubers. Smash that like button, hit subscribe.
Will you shut up? Oh my gosh, I can't stand it when people do this.
Share the video.
That's it! I'm gonna make
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, the same stuff, all that garbage. Likes, comments, subscriptions, sharing the video. It does help. It does motivate me, and it makes me want to get this done faster. But, you know, until then, that's what I've got. So, I will see you all later. Okay, bye! Share the video? Ow.